Today we're going to talk about how to add a menu in Joomla. It's pretty an easy process. From the main page right here, there's two ways to get to the menu manager. You can click on just the menu manager on the main page here, or you can go to menus and see all of your menus. In most cases, the menu at the top of the page is going to be something pretty straightforward, pretty easy for you to find. If you look over here at the Brainswell Media site, you can see that I have menus across the top. And then you'll also notice in some cases I have menus that drop down. And this is the same way it works on all of your sites as well. So what we're going to do is underneath the menu manager, let's click on menu manager. Let's say that we are going to want to add something to the main menu. So you just click on menu items. All right, and then you're going to click on the top, just like you do with an article, new. And then it's going to ask you what kind of menu do you want. Well, you'll notice that what we probably want to do in most cases is link to an article. So here's the articles. There's many other things you can link to. You might want to link to an article or down here to an external link, but let's link to an article. And then it's going to ask you, okay, how do you want the page that they get to be displayed? So in this case, what I'm going to do is just link to an article layout. You can link to categories, sections, to the front page. Let's just link to the article layout. Okay? I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to ask me, what do I want the title of the link to be? So basically, when you're over here on this page, this one was named links. Okay? So let's call the title of this A New Test. Okay? Now I want to link to an article. So over here, which article do I want to link to? And let's just say we want to link over here to Joomla training. Okay? Now it's going to ask you, where do you want this A New Test menu to appear? Do you want it to appear in the top navigation like everything else? Or do you want it to appear as a child underneath something? Well, let's go ahead and put it so it appears underneath the Home tab. Okay? That's it. That's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and click Apply so we can take a look at it. And then let's go over here and look at the website. And remember, we're going to have to refresh the website in order to see the most recent changes. And then here is A New Test. Appears just like that. We click on it. It's going to take us over to the Joomla training. If we click Home, it's going to take us back. All right? Okay, let's take a look at that one more time. Here's your main navigation along the top. In most cases, it's called Main Menu. We want to add a drop-down underneath the Home category. So we're going to then go over here to the Menu Manager. On the Menu Manager, it's going to list all of your menu items. Okay? And let's go ahead and let's click New. And let's go ahead and choose Article. And then we want to link to an article layout. Now at this point you can choose whether you want to link to a category or a section, but in this case, let's just link to an article. Doesn't matter what type of article. Let's just say this is going to be Ryan Test 3. Okay? And I want to link to the article that is called Examples of Magazines Doing a Nice Job. And let's just say I want that menu to appear underneath the About Us tab in my navigation. All right? And that's it. And I'm going ahead and I'm going to click Apply. Now if I click Apply, it's just going to save and bring me back in case I want to make changes. If I click Save, now you'll notice if I go to the About Us tab, oh, it's not there. Why not? I haven't refreshed the page. I need to refresh the page. And then once I do, boom, then this one appears right underneath of it. If I wanted to add that Ryan Test 3 here in the main row of menu items, I would have just listed it on this page. I would have listed it under Top. And I would have clicked Save or Apply. Let's go back and take a look at that. And there it is, Ryan Test 3. And then that would link over to the appropriate page. Okay? It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed Joomla as much as I do. That is the basics on building a new menu. I hope you have a great day.